What's up everybody, Tim here with Ethos Car Care, and today I want to talk about our brand new foam cannon. Now this is specifically designed for your pressure washer, so I want to go through the unboxing as well as show you some instructions on how to set this up, so stay tuned. Alright, so our foam cannon here is designed specifically for pressure washers. It comes with a 1/4 inch quick disconnect adapter as well as a foam adjustment and a nozzle adjustment. So basically you can fine tune how much foam water mixture you have, so how thick the suds are coming out of the cannon, as well as the direction of the nozzle if you want a wide or a short span or spray pattern to it. So this comes in a box like this. It comes pre-packaged. You have your foam cannon reservoir, which comes with fill lines as well as readings on how much liquid's in there. Comes with our nozzle. Now this has brass fittings in it. This is really durable, heavy duty. It's not gonna rust, it's not gonna be corroded. If it falls over, it's not gonna break. It's actually really heavy duty ABS plastic, brass fittings and stainless steel, quick disconnect. This is the adjustment nozzle, so from less to more foam in terms of what you're looking to achieve for your car. Comes with a dipstick as well as a quick instruction manual to show you how to use it, the specifications for application, do's and don'ts. This is front and back. So application or setup is really easy. You basically remove the contents from the box here. You have your reservoir bottle, which unscrews from the top. You're gonna wanna take your nozzle as well as your dip tube. The nozzle is gonna insert here on the top of the canister. I'm gonna tighten this down, just hand tight. You don't have to torque it or anything like that. You take your dip tube and adjust it to, or install it on top of the nozzle here. You'll put that whole apparatus onto the canister. And once again, just hand tight. And there you go. And you're ready for foaming. Use any type of snow foam you want. We recommend Ethos Foam Party. We use about 3 to 4 ounces in the container with the rest with water. Makes a really heavy duty foam. If you want more or less foam, you can dial in the adjustment with the adjustment knob. As well as with the fan, you can adjust what type of spray pattern you want. So it comes with a lot of adjustability, comes with a lot of versatility as well. This 1/4 inch adapter will fit most electric and gas pressure washers. Some may come with a different adjustment, but this is kind of the gold standard out there. Also comes with a thread, so if you do want to remove this and have a different adjustment, you can apply that as well. So there's some versatility, but this should work with most, consumer and industrial strength pressure washers. If you do have any questions, please feel free to consult with the instruction manual. We have a lot of info on here in terms of like max and minimum pressures, flow rates, that kind of thing. The warranty information is also on here. And then just kind of do's and don'ts, as well as different wash process and steps to use the foam cannon. So there you have it, guys. Our professional grade Ethos Foam Cannon comes with everything you need out of the box to hook up to your electric or gas pressure washer. Really durable product, extremely easy to use, gives you a really nice foaming consistency on your vehicle, which is great for a pre-wash. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, instructional content, detailing related topics, product releases. We're gonna come out with all types of different content, so you guys make sure you don't want to miss out on that. Stay tuned for the next video, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon.